I am Harvinder Kaur from CSC department. In the beginning of college life, I didn't have good friends and good company. Everything seems negative all around. I felt lonely, depressed and irritative. Then I went to my mentor. He gave me emotional support, boosted my confidence and gave me courage to solve the problems that lie ahead in life. He guided me when I was weak. He guided me when I was lost. Everyone says experience is the best teacher, but I must say teacher like him is the best experience for my life.
Hi guys, myself Abhay from electronics. A mentor to me was like a closest friend away from home. If you are creative and want any guidance from the university, trust me guys, a friendly discussion with the mentor is the best way to start with. My mentor kept a check on all my activities, trying to improve me, build me up, to make me an able student. An event organized by me under her guidance was a life-changing experience for me.
Hello, myself Amitoj Singh Sethi from Mechanical Branch. I want to share my experience. When I came to college, the first thing in my mind as an engineer was to make some new innovations. But the thing was how? To answer this question, we have mentors. They help us and guide us to do new innovations and whatever we want. Due to this only, today I am a member of Formula Student UK and Formula Student Czech as a part of Team Lakshay. It is the world's biggest competition for mechanical engineers, and in all these, the person who helped me and guided me is my mentor only.
I am Arnab from electronics. I think mentor enhances confidence and offers a lot of challenges to set a higher level. According to me, mentor acts as a supporting system during any kind of critical situation regarding academics. At the very beginning, I hesitated to speak in front of people, and then she gave me an individual recognition and encouragement for this thing. And now I have been chosen as an executive for the IIT Society, and I feel blessed to have such a mentor.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਂ ਚੰਦਰਮੋਹਨ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਫਰੋਮ ਮਕੈਨੀਕਲ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਚਿਤਕਾਰਾ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ, ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਲੱਗ ਜਿਹੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਅਲੱਗ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਮੈਂਟੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫੇਸ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਪੈਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤਾ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਇਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਇੰਚਾਰਜ ਵੀ ਸੀਗੇ। ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਾਈਡੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਾਂ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਜੂਨੀਅਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂਟੋਰ ਦਾ ਰੋਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਰੀਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਮੋੜ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ।
Who was the first friend of mine in the college. She supported me in exploring my talent in the university, and she told me to explore it in the stream of sports. So I started with it, and today I'm the captain of the sports team of Chitkara University. I represented my university in many of the reputed colleges and universities and have received many awards for the same. So I don't think anyone else could be a better friend to me than the faculty of Chitkara University.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। माई सेल्फ गोविंद फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल ब्रांच। गाइज अगर फ्रैंकली बात करूँ तो मुझे स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल एक फ्री पीरियड लगा करता था, बट जब मैंने खुद ने प्रॉब्लम फेस की, मेरे सब्जेक्ट में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, मेरी टीचर कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं हो पा रही, तो मुझे लगा यार अगर ऐसे चलता रहा तो मेरी CGPA का क्या होगा, मेरी प्लेसमेंट क्या होगा। तो ये थॉट्स मेरे थोड़े दिमाग में चल रहे थे, तो मेरे को लगा यार अब मैं क्या करूँ, कहाँ जाऊँ। तो फिर मैंने मेंटोर के पास गया, मैंने उन्हें कंसल्ट किया कि सर प्रॉब्लम बताई कि सर ऐसे से चल रहा है, तो उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया और मैं उस गाइड के अकॉर्डिंग चला। तो मेरे फर्स्ट 2 इंटरनल थे वो कुछ खास अच्छे नहीं हुए थे, जस्ट पास्ड आउट, बट जो 3rd इंटरनल था आई टॉप्ड इन माई क्लास। तो वही बात कहते हैं ना कि वर्क हार्ड विद डायरेक्शन लीड टू सक्सेस। वर्क हार्ड आपके हाथ में डायरेक्शन आपको मेंटोर प्रोवाइड करेगी। तो लास्ट में एक चीज़ कहूँगा कि मेंटोर के साथ हमेशा स्टार्टिंग से टच रहिए ताकि आपको लास्ट में प्रॉब्लम फेस ना करनी पड़े जो।
Hi, I am Ashwin Bansal from Computer Science Engineering. Mentoring is a very innovative and effective way of interacting with the students here at Chitkara University. My mentor is not only a guide or teacher for me, but he is a friend of mine who was there for me whenever I needed him. Previously, I was not able to attend college for a while, so when I came back, he was there for me by arranging extra classes for me so that I can cope up with the studies. I was only able to score well in the exams because of my mentor's support, care and concern for me. So I thank him a lot from my bottom of my heart.
Hi, I am Aditya Agarwal from CSC. Mentoring has been a great initiative by Chitkara University for student-teacher interactions and student welfare. My mentor has been a great guide for me. During my time here last year, I met with an accident and was injured really badly. I couldn't attend college, I couldn't write, and my grades were suffering. I was really worried. During all this hardship, my mentor was always there for me. He contacted me regularly, asked about my health, talked about the important lectures I must attend. He sent me study materials so I could study even while I was at home. When I came back to the college, my mentor helped me a lot. He arranged extra classes for me, gave me extra time so he could clear all my doubts. Thanks to his motivation and support, I was able to score a great CGPA of 9.3 in my exams. I urge you all to talk to your mentors about any problems you might face and see that there's always one person you can rely on here.